Welcome to the Healthcare and Social Media Physicians Tutorial Training Site, brought to you by the Pennsylvania Academy of Family Physicians. In this video series, we're going to cover Skype, a very popular video conferencing and video call program that allows you to connect with people through video chats, instant messaging, and as well as connecting from your computer to landline and mobile phones. So let's learn about where Skype came from. Skype is considered a freemium program. It is a free program that has some paid features that you pay along to it as you use. So it is a freemium voice over IP service or voice over internet protocol service. And it's also an instant messaging client, very much like the chat features that you have seen on Facebook and GChat and other instant communications that resemble chat features. Developed by the Microsoft Skype division. The name was derived from the words sky and peer put together, meaning the fact that, with you're actually connecting over the internet, satellite kind of feed. There's the whole idea that you're able to connect over great distances. And the word peer is that you're able to have peer-to-peer interaction. So sky, peer, Skype. Skype was first released in August of 2003, and it was written by developers who originally developed the file sharing program Kazaa, which was a peer-to-peer file sharing program. Skype has 713 million registered users as of the end of 2012, and it was bought by Microsoft in 2011 for $8.5 billion. So Skype is one of these programs that allow you to do video calling to other Skype members for free. And you can also call, like you would normally with phone numbers, you're able to call people on landlines and on mobile phones for a little bit of a fee. And then it also allows you to do instant messaging as you would with any other sort of instant IM client that has been around for a long time. Skype has popularized the video conferencing idea, and it's definitely not the first working model of it, but it actually brought it to the forefront of people's attention that they were able to do this now with technology. So let's take a look at some Skype quick facts. 40% of Skype calls are video to video, and this is of 2010. I've gotten my resources. So in 2010, almost half of all the calls done in Skype were video to video, and that is a free service if you're both Skype members. The average paying Skype user spends around $96 a year, and that's because they're using services that require some sort of fee, like calling landlines and calling mobile phones. If you're not connecting with another Skype user, you have to pay certain fees. Skype has to pay credit card companies back when users make fraudulent purchases with stolen credit cards. In 2009, that cost them $5.8 million. So if people have stolen credit cards information and they use Skype, Skype does track that, and they're able to pay back all the different credit card companies. So that does show you that Skype is very actively concerned when it comes to accepting payments because they want to make sure that they have the best customer service around. And then this information is a little bit old. Skype is 560 million total users. That number is closer to 713 million users, and 124 million monthly logins and 8.1 million monthly paying users. Again, I think the numbers are actually 713, 158, and about 9.8 for all those numbers respectively. So a lot of people are using Skype. It is a very popular application for mobile devices because Skype will actually use your mobile device camera to do video peer-to-peer calling. And you can see that I have gotten my source here from The Atlantic, and they're a really good resource about various different technologies. But the great thing about Skype is that it's mobile, it's very easy to use, it's simple to set up, and it connects well in with your other social media. So why would you want to use this as a physician? Well, it allows physicians to connect with each other and other professionals in a more meaningful way through video calls. Now, you're able to connect with other professionals through video calls if you're working on projects, doing research, things of that nature. It is not HIPAA compliant yet, though. It is quickly developing into workable models for telehealth projects that could lead to significant changes in dealing with patients, but it's not quite there yet. Skype does offer some really top-level encryption, but it's not the right type of encryption just yet to have with patients. Now, at the time of you reviewing this video, it could have changed, and now Skype might be a HIPAA compliant technology, and you just really want to make sure that you find the correct information. So finding out through an HIT facilitator and finding out if anyone has used it in workable models before you even consider trying it with patients. You really want to find out if it's if other people have workable workflows that allow them to use Skype professionally. For patients, not there yet, but definitely for communications with other professionals, your colleagues and constituency. And not only that, it's a great way to do video phone calls with your family if you're on conferences. So that's a great thing for physicians as well. And the great thing about it too is that it's mobile. So if you're walking around with your tablet and it works on iOS, it works on Apple products, it works on Android, Java, Java code, and it even works on Linux now as well. You can use Skype on any mobile device that has a camera, and you can do free video-to-video calls. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to download the program and get it set up.